निकालो।
कितना है सर दूसरा वाला? 9।
Daniel, this is second bag I'm opening, and as you can see, again the biggest issue here is really dirty clothing, and you know what you can see here is really look at this. Some random shoes are thrown in the bag, you know. So what buyer is complaining is that even if the entire logic of bags being broken when they are putting it into a container, they feel that this is a sorted material. You know, they deliberately took out whatever is the good part and send something without bags. You know, look at that piece right there, totally broken. Look at this shoe right here. There is absolutely zero children in this, zero children. Whereas based on our experience on anything that we buy original from US, Europe, you know, this person is buying a lot of material from Germany, a lot of material from US. He's saying that he sees at least nominally 20 to 25% of children, and he's saying for a material of this price, even if he gets like 10%, it's worthwhile for him. Look at the bag. That is the only bag in this bale that is received. Totally broken bag. Look at this right here. So obviously his main concern is that this is not original. I mean, he's saying everything has a price. If he has paid 68-70 cents per kg for a material, it should be of that value. I mean, for them, they are saying this is absolutely no value. They are saying that pick up this material, and so you know, obviously look at this piece right here. You know, look at this piece right here. Uh, very poor quality material. Look at this with the paint stains, totally unusable material. Look at another thing, totally dirty, as if somebody has put car over it and drove on it. You know, such material. Look at this right here.